Hi everyone, I'm a working busy mom to a sweet little baby boy, sharing my journey of preparing healthy homemade baby foods filled with love and nutrition. Here you'll find easy time-saving baby food recipes, puree ideas and feeding tips perfect for busy moms like me who want the best for their little ones. Every recipe is made with simple ingredients and lots of care because our babies deserve the very best start. If you are working or first time mom looking for quick, healthy and baby approved meal ideas, you are in the right place. Join me on this beautiful journey of motherhood where we make every meal a small act of love. Please subscribe the channel Nutri Tots and let's grow together, one tiny spoonful at a time. Today I hope to introduce banana puree for toddlers as my very first video in Nutri Tots. Before the video, let's see the benefits of banana puree for toddlers. Bananas are one of the best first food you can introduce to your baby from 5 months onward. Soft, naturally sweet and easy to digest, banana puree is the perfect choice for tiny tummies. Let's see the health benefits of banana puree for babies. Number 1. Rich in nutrition. Packed with potassium, fiber and vitamin C to support healthy growth and digestion. Number 2. Gentle on the stomach. Its smooth texture and mild flavor make it ideal for a baby's first solid food. Number 3. Provides quick energy. Natural sugars like glucose and fructose give your little one instant energy. Number 4. Promotes healthy digestion. The fiber content helps keep your baby's tummy happy and prevents constipation. Number 5. Boost brain development. Vitamin B6 in bananas support brain function and development. Let's go to the recipe without no more talks.